Hey fellas, this morning I'm out here putting this throttle body on Vincent's car. He's fixing to go to work, so I'm going to take care of this for him. But he got a 75 millimeter AccuFab off of eBay, and pretty good shape. AccuFab are like my throttle body of choice. But wanted to point out with them, it's a common thing I've seen on a lot of AccuFabs is the throttle blade don't open up all the way. You see how it's kind of not at a 90-degree angle to the throttle base. So what happens is they hit right here. So you have to sometimes do a little grinding to get them opened up so they open up all the way. And you know, I don't know how much difference it'll make, if any. But as Johnny is so fond of saying, it's easier to find 30 horsepower in 30 places than to find 30 horsepower in one place. So always got that in mind. So try to, you know, make sure everything's as optimum as I can make it within reason. I'm not going to spend a, you know, an inordinate amount of time or money to do some things, but you know, if this isn't going to cost me anything, a little bit of time to grind that little spot right there to get it so it opens up all the way, and hopefully it'll make a difference. I know the 75 will work a lot better on here than the he had a 70 millimeter Pro Power or something like that, Pro Performance, some kind of a throttle body from China. So I'm getting rid of that. I think worked out something with Rod's going to get that for something, and we're going with this 75. And as soon as the Rona stuff is blown over, we'll get this on a dyno at the track once or twice, see how it runs, and if we can, compare the 70 to the 75, see what difference it makes. But anyway, that's what I'm doing this morning. Appreciate y'all. Later.